Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little Halloween room tour, and I also decorated the bathroom, so it'll be like a bedroom and bathroom tour today. The bathroom's not like personally mine, but I just decorated it anyway. I kind of claimed it. And then I just switched rooms with my sister because she moved out, so a lot of things are like really different here for me. I'm really loving how it looks, so I'm going to show you guys like where I got some things, how much it cost, and like just the whole setup. So I don't have my desk done, so I'm thinking I will go to Michael's later and I'll take you guys with me and we'll shop some stuff on my desk, and then I'll show what I did with that after. Also, just for vibes, I'm wearing a Halloween fit, so I have this Casper shirt that I made. It's on my Etsy, and then I have some Halloween socks. I'm gonna flip the camera. These are from American Eagle. They're pretty long. And then I'm just wearing like basic sweats. So let's start with my bed. Above my bed I have my two albums. Those aren't Halloween related, but then going on to the actual bed, I got this little ghost stuffy from Michaels, and the two big pillows are also from Michaels, but I got them like 2 years ago. And then I have this Snoopy Halloween blanket. I think it's from Winners, but it's also old, so I don't remember. I was also watching Vampire Diaries while filming this, but my laptop screen is broken, so it's not that aesthetic. Then I got these ghost lights from Michaels. They were half off, so they were $6. And then this is my little witch corner. So I have this mug from Winners that says The Witch is In. The Sabrina the Teenage Witch book is a gift from a friend. The crystal balls from Michaels. The Witch Museum sign is from Spirit Halloween. I randomly have my degree picture up there, which I need to move. I really like these lights, but I feel like they're really flimsy, which sucks. It would be better if they were kind of sturdy, but I think they're still pretty cute. My cousin got me this Pennywise stuffy from I don't know where, but I found it and I just put it on my chair. Then I have a whole different vibe in the bathroom, so I went for like a pink vibe instead. Everything is from Winners. The soap was like $6, the candle was $9, I think. The shower curtain was $22. It was exactly what I wanted, and it ended up being so cute. There was a matching towel. I think it was $12, and it's nice because it's reversible. I went to Michael's with my sister like an hour before they were closing. I was in this aisle for so long. I love all the pink stuff. I saw my pillow here too. Everything's still on sale. They also had cute Harry Potter tumblers I just needed to show. We then migrated to Walmart, which also had very cute things, but I didn't end up getting anything from here. But I was very inspired. And they had cute outdoor decor too. So it is 2 days later from when I filmed everything. My sister ended up sleeping over, so I didn't have my room, which is her room, to film in. I ended up getting one thing from Michaels. I got it from their little pink collection. Yeah, I couldn't really find anything that really stood out to me. And then I have all this other stuff on my desk, like my perfumes and my makeup. So I thought one thing was fine. I'll show it to you guys. So the clock I got years ago from Michaels, and then the pink thing is what I just got now. Anyways, I think that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed my room tour and my bathroom tour. Still haven't found a picture to put in the bathroom, so I'm gonna be on the hunt for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.